Family law software can do a lot more than just calculate child support and prepare financial statements. This video will give an overview of the negotiation tools that will help you practice more effectively, more efficiently, and more profitably. They're all found here on the Negotiate drop-down menu, and we'll go through them one at a time. The first one is called Support Impact. This one shows the impact of child support and spousal support on after-tax cash flow. So as we see in this graph, initially, Shelley has much more gross income than Pat, but after child support and spousal maintenance, you can see that their incomes are much more equalized. This graphical approach can be very helpful to help clients understand the extent to which child support and maintenance will equalize their situation. The next tool is Child Support What If. This allows me to ask what child support would be if various key numbers were changed. I'm going to add a scenario here, and I see that child support is $1,448, but if Shelley's income were only $100,000, then child support would be only $1,170. You can add as many of these scenarios as you like. The next tool allows us to ask what if about a variety of subjects. We can ask about child support, maintenance, exemptions, wages, etc. For example, I'm going to create a new scenario and say, what if spousal maintenance were $1,000 lower? I can quickly see the impact of this change on each party's income after taxes. Note that the child support amount has automatically updated to stay in sync because in this state, child support depends in part on spousal maintenance. Thinking about spousal maintenance, I can instantly see the amount of spousal maintenance it would take to balance incomes. That is, to have the two parties end up with the same share of the combined pot after taxes. So let's just say I want Pat to end up with 50% of the combined pot after taxes. It would take $1,300 of maintenance to get there. The next thing we can ask is present value. In the software, we have determined spousal maintenance of $28.13 per month for about 2 years. What is the present value of this? What is the buyout amount for that? I can click this checkbox and see instantly that it would be about $88,000. I can also divide assets between the parties. The yellow bar here indicates that none of the assets have yet been divided. I can enter a percent I want Pat to keep, a percent I want Shelley to keep, a dollar amount for Shelley, or a dollar amount for Pat. And however I do it, the software will update the other numbers and the totals. When I have finished entering assets initially for all the parties, the yellow bar will be gone, and I will see just the blue and green showing the parties' assets and debts. Now, if I wish, I can see how far the parties are from a 50-50 allocation. I can see that I need to give Shelley this much more, and if I do, the parties end up equal. Those are the key negotiation tools in family law software that can help you get parties to agreement more quickly, help them understand the impact of their decisions, and help you practice more efficiently, more effectively, and more profitably. Thanks for watching.